Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will create this kind of nice earrings with stones and seed beads. All necessary materials what I will use for this tutorial you will find in description below this video. Please tag me on your social media when you're using my tutorials. If you would like to make it as a set, here I have nice ring. Tutorial of how you can create this kind of ring you can find as well on my channel. I will leave link below this video. First of all, we will need this kind of hoops, seed bead size 10 and zircon stone 4 millimeters, as well as wire. It's non-tarnish beadsmith wire, very good. I always use this for jewelry, it's my favorite. So first of all, we need to secure our wire in the beginning of our earring hoop. Just go around our earring base few times. Make sure that wire is straight and beautiful, so it should be very neat. Then use pliers, press our wire. Make sure that it's not scratching. So our beginning is ready, and we'll start with zircon stone. We will need 14 zircon stones. We take one, bend our wire, hold the stone and go around the base of our earring 2 times. One time is to secure our stone on the place, and one more time to secure it better. We'll take one more zircon stone and repeat again. Bend our wire, put our stone on the place and go around with the wire around our base. Zircon stone, or you can take any crystal of 4 millimeters. Around, bend the wire, put our stone on the place and go around our hoop base 2 times. As you can see here, stone and our wire goes around the hoop twice, again and again. And we continue the same till the end of our hoop. For this earring I will need 14 stones. My row with crystals is ready. Now I will secure it a bit better and I will make a row out of the red seed beads. I will need 8 seed beads in between every stone. And we start with 8 seed beads in between every 2 stones. Around, and we do the same 2 rounds around our hoop in between our crystals. in between my stones. It can be a bit tricky from the beginning. Really important to put our seed beads on its place. And again 8. We continue the same with 8 seed beads till we finish our earring. And the last one in between our 2 crystals, and 3 seed beads in the end. And we need to secure our wire and cut it. Just pass a few times in between our last crystal and last 3 seed beads. Go to the front side, cut our wire with cutters and hide our wire under the last stone. Make sure it's not scratching anywhere and it's have enough place to close our earring. Our earrings are ready. As you can see, technique is very simple and you can create a lot of different colors and sizes of these beautiful earrings. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.